A token that burns what doesn't sell each week isn't something you see often. So I broke down how it actually works. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Milk Mocha. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, this project, guys, is positioning itself as a playful, story-driven ecosystem that is inspired by the beloved Milk and Mocha characters. So it blends that charms with the structured token mechanics, and rather than presenting itself as a traditional meme coin, this project is actually combining the narrative design, the deflationary economics, and the staking utilities as well as the NFTs to create a more immersive long-term environment. Now, the team frames the HUG token as an expanding ecosystem, and it is intended to evolve over time. Now, that is encouraging sustained participation instead of that short-term speculation. Now, guys, the token launch is organized into 40 weekly phases, each with a fixed token allocation. Now, if a phase sells out early, the pre-sale automatically advances to the next stage. All right, so this is what I like to show you as well. Here in, when you click on this joint pre-sale, guys, you will see this one right here. So yeah, the total USD raised, they're more than $245,000 already, and they are at stage 7. And you will also see the burned HUGS token here. They are burning on chain, and you will be able to monitor that in this page as well. So you want to also take note of this link. Link to this will also be in the description of the video. That way, when you want to check it out, you can just go ahead and click on that link and it will take you directly back here. Now, guys, staking within the HUGS ecosystem is designed to feel interactive rather than purely numerical. So participants create and manage a virtual farm and upgrade it over time, and they are able to collect the staking rewards through that gamified experience. So there is no vesting period, meaning they are claimable as soon as they are generated. So that is aligning with the project's emphasis on accessibility and engagement with the community. So the NFTs that are built around the Milk and Mocha artwork, this one right here, plays a central role in the ecosystem. Now, these NFTs are planned for future integration into mini games and other interactive features, with the additional perks that are tied to holding either the NFTs or the HUGS tokens. These elements aim to cultivate a community that actively engages across multiple layers of the ecosystem rather than focusing on a single utility. So guys, make sure to check out the live pre-sale stages. If you click on join pre-sale, it will take you directly to this page. Check the live pre-sale stages and the current burn total if you want to see how fast the supply is being reduced each week. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.